Greetings everyone to my lecturer and my students. Today we're going to see the procurement interview questions and the answers. My name is Caleb, son of James Stephen, and my number matrix is 30 DLS 23 F1044, and I'm from DLS 5B. The first question is interpret the ethical behavior in procurement process. My answer should be ethical behavior in the procurement process refers to conducting purchasing activities with integrity, fairness, and accountability. It ensures that procurement decisions are made transparently without favorism or corruption, and in the best interest of the organizations and its stakeholders. Key aspect of ethical behavior in procurement. Number one is transparency. All procurement activities should be open and clear to relevant parties. Bidding processes, criteria for selections, and contract terms must be openly communicated. Number second one is fairness and impartiality. All suppliers should be treated equally with no bias or discrimination. Procurement decisions must be based on merit, such as quality, cost, and compliance with requirement. Number third one is integrity and honesty. Avoid conflict of interest and declare any personal relationships with suppliers. Bribery, kickbacks, and fraudulent practices are strictly prohibited. Number four, confidentiality. Sensitive information such as bid details and supplier pricing must be kept confidential. Avoid leaking information that could give unfair advantage to any suppliers. Number five, compliance with laws and policies. Procurement must follow all relevant law, regulation, and internal policies. International, national, and organizational standards must be adhered to. Number six one is sustainability and social responsibility. Consider the environment and social impact of procurement choices. Support ethical suppliers who follow fair labor practice and environmental standards. The second question is identify social responsibility and business goals in procurement. Social responsibility in procurement is referred to the commitment to make purchasing decisions that positively impact society and the environment. Number first one is ethical sourcing. Choosing suppliers that follow fair labor practices, avoid child labors, and provide safe working conditions. Number second one is environmental sustainability. Prioritizing eco-friendly products, reducing carbon footprints, and minimizing waste. Number third one is supplier diversity. Supporting small business, minority-owned, women-owned, and local suppliers to promote inclusivity. Number four one is community development. Partnering with suppliers who invest in local communities through jobs and infrastructure. Number five one is human rights. Ensuring suppliers comply with human rights standards across their operation and supply chain. Business goals in procurement. These are objectives that drive efficiency, cost effectiveness, and value for the organizations. Key elements. Cost savings. Procuring goods and service at competitive prices without compromising quality. Number second one is quality assurance. Ensuring products and service meet required standards and specifications. Number third one is risk management. Minimizing supply chain disruptions and legal liabilities. Number four one is operational efficiency, streamlining procurement processes and improving delivery times. Number last one, strategy partnerships, building long-term relationship with reliable, innovative, and performance-driven suppliers. The third question is recognize ethics in procurement process. To recognize ethics in procurement process, you need to identify behavior principles and practices that promote honesty, fairness, and transparency and accountability. Ethics in procurement ensures that decisions are made with integrity and in the best interest of organization and its stakeholders. How to recognize ethics in procurement process? Fair competition. All suppliers are given equal opportunity to compete. Third one is no favorism or discrimination based on personal relationship or bias. Example, using standardized evaluation criteria for all vendors in tender process. Third one is transparency. Procurement processes and decisions are clearly documented and communicated. Bid evaluations and contract awards are open to audit or review. For the example, publishing tender results and reasons for supply selections. Third one is integrity and honesty. Procurement staff act in the organization's best interest without seeking personal gain. Bribes, gifts, or other unethical incentives are rejected. For the example, declining a supplier offer of an expensive gift during contract negotiations. Fourth question is describe public relations in procurement process. Public relations (PR) in the procurement process is referred to how the procurement function manages its image, communications, and relationships with both internal and external stakeholders. It plays a key role in building trust, promoting transparency, and ensuring public confidence, especially in public sector or high visibility organizations. The purpose of public relationship in procurement is to build credibility and trust with suppliers, the publics, and stakeholders. To communicate procurement decisions clearly and justify them when needed. To enhance transparency and accountability in procurement activities. To manage reputation, especially in the event of procurement controversies or disputes. Key PR activities in procurement. 1. Clear and transparent communication. Publishing procurement plans, tender notice, and awarded contracts. Explaining selection criteria and procurement decisions openly. For the example, a government agency holding a press briefing to explain how large supplier was selected fairly. Second one is stakeholders engagement. Keeping suppliers, government bodies, and the public informed and involved. Seeking feedback from vendors to improve future procurement. For the example, hosting supplier forums or consultations meetings before launching a major tender. Fifth question is describe green procurement in the organizations. Green procurement, also known as sustainable procurement, is the process of acquiring goods and services in a way that minimizes negative environmental impacts and supports sustainable development. In an organization, it involves choosing products, services, and suppliers that meet environmental standards throughout their life cycle. Key features of green procurement in an organization. Environmental criteria in supplier selection, preference for suppliers with eco certifications, evaluations of vendors based on sustainability practices. Second one is eco-friendly products and service. Buying energy efficient equipment, recyclable materials, or biodegradable packaging. Choosing service with low environmental footprints. Third one is life cycle costing. Considering the total environment cost of product over its life cycle, not just the purchase price. Fourth one is waste reduction and cycling. Procuring items that produce less waste or that be reused and recycled. Sixth question is identify the benefits of green procurement. Environment protections reduce pollutions, waste and carbon emissions, support conservation of natural resources, promotes sustainable production and consumption practices. Number 2 is cost saving long term. Energy efficient and durable products lower utility and maintenance cost over time. Minimizing waste reduce disposal and recycling expenses. Number 3rd one is improve organizational reputations. Demonstrates commitment to sustainability and corporate social responsibility. Enhance trust among customers, investors and the publics. Attracts environmentally conscious consumers and partners. Number last one is regulatory compliance. Help meets national and international environmental regulations and standards. Reduce the risk of fines or legal action from environmental violations. Number 7th question is explain green procurement practices in the company operations. First one is sourcing eco-friendly products, purchasing products that are recyclable, biodegradable, non-toxic or made from sustainable materials, and choosing certified green products, e.g. Energy Star's FSC certified paper. For example, using recycled paper and non-toxic offices suppliers in daily operations. Number 2nd one is energy efficient equipment and technology. Procuring energy saving appliance, lighting system and machinery. Using IT equipment with low power consumptions and automatic power saving modes. For example, installing LED lighting and energy efficient HVAC system in company facilities. Number 3rd one is waste reductions and recycling. Buying reusable or refillable items, e.g. toner cartridge packaging. Number last one is reducing packaging or opting for recyclable and compostable materials. For example, switching from single-use plastic packaging to cardboard or reusable crates in shipping. Number 8 question, last question, is respond current issues and future issues relating to the procurement. Current issue in procurement in 2025, supply chain disruptions, ongoing geopolitical tension, global conflicts and climate-related disasters are affecting supply chain continuity. Delays and shortage increase costs and reduce reliability. Number 2nd one is rising cost and inflations. High inflation rates are pushing up the prices of raw material, transportations and labor. Okay. Number 2nd one is budget management and cost control are becoming harder for procurement teams. Number 3rd one is supplier risk and reliability. Over-reliance of a small group of suppliers increase vulnerability. Supplier bankruptcies, labor strikes or policy changes can cause severe delays. Number 4th one is lack of transparency. Difficulty in tracking the full supply chain, especially for ethical sourcing and environmental compliance. Increase pressures for ESG, environmental, social, governance disclosures. Future procurement issues for the next 5 years. AI and automation displacement. AI will automate routine tasks, e.g. RFQs, invoice matching, possible displacing jobs. Procurement professionals will need to upskill for strategy and analytical roles. Our 2nd one is blockchain integration. Blockchain could transform procurement transparency, but standardizations and interoperability remain obstacles. Full adoption will require new regulation and infrastructure. Number 3rd one is climate change and resource scarcity. Long-term shortage of raw materials like rare earth metals or clean water will increase procurement complexity. Sustainability alternative will be in demand, but costly and harder to scale. And the last one is supplier ethics and AI-driven due diligence. Public scrutiny will increase, especially on human rights, diversity, and data ethics in supply chain. AI will be used to monitor complaints but may raise its own ethical questions. That's all from me. Thank you.